How to divide by 5 without dividing now on Weather Buff. Welcome. I am Jack Knecht, the weather medic, the doctor of weather, and I usually do weather, climate change, and environmental videos, but here is one on math. Please like the video, share, subscribe, and if you are really digging the content, please consider the Patreon page at the following 2 links. So, how to divide by 5 without dividing is so simple that you wondered why you did not learn this years ago. Well, let's go to the whiteboard and we'll continue. Let's take 10 divided by 5. We all know the answer to that, and that is 2. Well, an easier way is just to double the 10 and move the decimal place 1 digit to the left. So 10 plus 10 equals 20. Move the decimal place 1 to the left, and you have 2. So let's take a look at this. If you take 10 and you add another 10, right? You're adding, just doubling the 10. You have 20. And you're going to take the decimal place here, and you're going to move it 1 to the left, which would be 2. So 2 here equals 2 here. See how that works? 2 and 2. There you go. So let's take another example. Let's try something more complex. How about 444 divided by 5? Well, this one you can't do in your head, but if you add another 444, right? Okay. You're going to add that. You're just going to double the 444. You get 888. And you're going to take the decimal place here, and you're going to move it 1 spot to the left. So you have 88.8. Your computer here has a calculator, and let's see what it does with the calculation. 444 divided by 5 equals 88.8. So that 88.8 is the same as the other number we just did on the whiteboard, which was 88.8. So let's move on. Let's try a calculation with something more advanced, okay? Let's do it this way since we have the calculator out. We'll have the answer before we know it. So how about 689 divided by 5? And the calculator says it's 137.8. Well, let's go to the whiteboard, see that we could get 137.8. Well, since we saw it on the calculator, so let's take that 689 divided by 5, and we're going to add another 689 to that. So 9 and 9 is 18. Carry the 1. 1 and 8 is 9. 9 and 8 is 17. Carry the 1. 1 and 6 is 7. 7 and 6 is 13. So you have 1,378. You're going to take the decimal place here at the end of the 8 and move it 1 spot to the left. And it becomes 137.8, which is exactly what we had on the calculator. Now, let's go and try something different. How about something with decimal places? How about 34.45 divided by 5? Well, we're going to add another 34.45. So as we did with the other examples, and we'll run it through the formula here. 5 plus 5 is 10. That's a 0. Carry the 1. 1 and 4 is 5. 5 and 4 is 9. We're going to move the decimal place here like normal. 4 plus 4 is 8. And 3 plus 3 is 6. So it's 68.9. We're going to move this decimal place 1 to the left. And it's 6.89 is your answer. Let's go to the calculator. So we had 34.45 divided by 5, and that equals 6.89, which was the same as the other calculations. So now, does this work all the time? Well, yes, it does. It always does work. So now that you have learned, you can never have to divide by 5 again. If you like the video, please share it, subscribe, and if you're really digging the content, please consider the Patreon page at the following 2 links. I'm Jack Knack, the Weather Medic, the Doctor of Weather. Thank you for making Weather Buff a part of your day. Good day, everyone.